Hi everyone, just like how the title suggests, today I will show you 5 ways on how to market your product and get your first sale within 14 days. I know for a fact that first-time entrepreneurs tend to have a smaller budget or capital to start with, so it's very important to find low-hanging fruits or easy ways on how to market your products for free. So number 1, build an Instagram account that clearly shows not only the kind of products that you are selling, but also shows the feel or the vibe of the brand. Think about the brand's elements such as logo, colors, and imagery. Also, you could include lifestyle photos of the target customers of your brand. So for example, if your products are candles, think of possible related interests of your target market such as meditation, yoga, relaxing, tea, bubble bath. Make sure to post at least 9 photos to be able to show your audience a complete grid. You don't want your customers to think that no one has ever bought a product from your business, right? Number 2, create a pre-launch offer such as a discount code or gift card exclusively for the first 10 people to buy. This creates a sense of urgency for your potential customers. Gives them a reason to buy from you now and not later, because they would have the fear of missing out on a good offer. Number 3, post on Facebook groups, Reddit, and other community groups. Make sure to provide value first by actually giving an insightful comment and contributing to the group's topic of discussion. Never spam, because this would make you look like a scammer and it would just sabotage your brand. Reminder, provide value first, then talk about the brand that you're building and the product's benefits. You can also use this opportunity to be able to find gaps within the market. So for example, you might want to find out if customers are willing to pay more for candles that are soy-based versus regular paraffin candles by creating a poll and actually engaging to your potential market. Number 4, connect with theme pages on Instagram and ask if they could post about your brand for free. Theme pages are Instagram accounts within a specific niche. Accounts with less than 10,000 followers would usually say yes if you offer to give them a free sample product. Just make sure that their followers are real and not fake. Number 5, tell your family and friends about your business. Send a customized message to your family and friends about the business that you are so excited to launch. You could also let them know about the brand's background story. So for example, how these candles have helped you improve your focus and have better sleep at night. So those are the 5 ways on how you can market your brand for free without having to spend on ads. If you want to learn more about building a brand and a business, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more sales and marketing videos. If you want to build your brand's website, I have a free 14-day trial link for Shopify down below on the description box. So that's it, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Wishing you all success. Bye.
Regret it all.